Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to show internet speed on Redmi 13c device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, go ahead and open settings menu on your device. Well, after that, here please scroll a little bit and then please select notifications and control center option. Okay, and then here you can tap on status bar menu. After that, you can activate this option. Okay, now the internet speed on your device is successfully displayed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to show the internet speed on Redmi 13c device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.